Hello, my good people. So we are doing a part two on the beautiful price action that we just had a few minutes ago. 0324, beautiful swing high as expected. Nice race lower into sell side at exactly 0330, beautiful retracement into a nice turtle soup, which occurred at 0354, which is a multiple of 3 at 4 o'clock, which is a beautiful multiple of 3 for a nice displacement higher to what 4 hour level, which we're looking at. Beautiful, that inefficiency right there on a 1 minute chart. Where did we touch it? At exactly 0415. I didn't get short there, I'm not gonna lie to you. Didn't It was a bit too quick for me. I thought we were just gonna do an institutional order flow. And honestly, just a tough. I don't like this perfect price action. It's not my strong point. I just prefer the Mohawks. Even though we did Mohawk just above the swing high for a turtle soup, even the body's in and out of itself, it was not a clean execution for me. Beautiful run lower. Watch the body swing low. 0324. Amazing delivery to the downside, heading into 430. That's beautiful price action, my good people. Other than that, I hope you find it insightful. Um, I hope you find it calming to know that there's such price action. You can read it with such intensity and such details. You might not be able to interpret what every 3 minute interval starting from the O clock would do. So obviously 3, 6, 9, and 12, even though you're unaware of what it will do, if you just keep tracking it, keep tracking the urban flows of the financial market and expecting a swing high or swing low to be created at a 3 minute interval, you're well on your way to success in cracking the financial markets, because that's all there is to it. As much as you'd love to study price, learn to study time, because time is not random, but price fluctuates. Not at random, of course, it doesn't fluctuate at random, but tomorrow, next week, next year, we might be at a different price. It might be 100, might be 2,000, might be 2 million. You never know what it will be in the next 10 to 20 years, but there will always be a 930 equity open. Doesn't change. There will always be a 0330 candlestick. There will always be a 0430 candlestick. There will always be a 0415, regardless of what price is. So hopefully with time, I'm getting there. I'm getting more and more open when it comes to my trading, the way I analyze and view the financial markets. It's because I've seen too many goobers say they know about the financial markets, but none of them touch on time. They'll show you screenshots, they will show you models, they'll sell you courses, but one thing they'll never do is do this live in front of you. Read it. There's no need for you to execute or press the button. Proof is in the pudding, the ability to interpret price with efficiency and ease and not be fearful, knowing where your gambler resides, where the trader shines, where the analyst is the most strong. We need to find these things for ourselves as executors, and these simple philosophies are all that we need to master the financial market. If anyone is trying to teach you anything, whatever shape, way, or form, or they're trying to show you something, ask them for time, because whatever model you're looking at, regardless of what it is, what time is it going to play out? Because you can easily tell me the price, but why can't you tell me the time? It shows premature development as an investor. It shows premature ability to read price and urban flows of how it does. It's also a premature understanding of your model, because if you are unable to tell me at what time your model will play out, it doesn't mean you can't be profitable, but all it means is just that you're not as efficient as I would like you to be, because I need to know what time we're going to do it. Because if price was the only thing we should focus on, there was not going to be no time axis, and it was just going to be price, and that's impossible because math doesn't work that way. But I pray you guys have an amazing, blessed trading session this Monday. I might sit it out and execute on Tuesday, but I'm looking for my 20 handle scalp for today, not 200 handles, even though we can catch it. But be content in enough. Even here, all three, it's beautiful just for you to watch this and watch the urban flows and how it prints and how it delivers. It is honestly breathtaking, and I'd love to share more with you guys as time goes by, as I open up more, as I do find the courage to share my findings with you guys when time plays out. excuse me, my goodness me, as time begins to open. But thank you guys so much for your time, and I really appreciate being able to share such findings with you guys.